ICAI very important announcement for November 2020 exam students. In this COVID-19 pandemic, for the health of the students, ICAI released some of the guidelines which should be followed by every CA student who is appearing for November 2020 exam. And when you come to the examination center, thermo scanning for temperature will be done at the examination center near the entry, and hand sanitizer would be available at the entry and inside the exam venue. Candidates shall be allowed to carry the following items inside the examination. You can carry mask on face, it is compulsory. Face shield, if you want you can take. Gloves on hand optional, it's not mandatory. You can take a water bottle but it should be transparent. Personal hand sanitizer is also must. And you can take exam related items like calculator, stationery items, admit card, photo ID card. And also that the examination will be completed by 5 p.m. and while going out there should not be any crowd. So class wise students will be sent out in a manner, and all the invigilators should be approved. They have to download Arogya Setu app which will monitor the health of the invigilators also. So the exam will commence from 1 p.m. and will end on 5 p.m. But for the safety of the students, so students can leave the examination center from 4 p.m. only. This is major decision taken by ICAI. And also guidelines for examination candidates given. These should be followed by each and every student who are appearing for November 2020 exams. These are very important. Candidates need to maintain social distance at the examination center. They should not maintain any crowd. And all candidates who are appearing for this exam, they should not have any symptoms of COVID-19. And the candidates must ensure to report the examination hall not before 1 p.m. wearing face mask and carry with them exam related items and documents like pad, admit card, etc. They can carry bottle of drinking water, but it should be transparent. They should not carry mobile phones, smartwatches, electronic gadgets, anything those are not allowed. And the candidate shall wear face mask and shall remove the same only at the time of their personal identification and signing of the attendance register. So at the time of attendance register they should identify our face, so then you can remove. In other times you should not be removing the face mask. The candidate should bring their transparent bottle of hand sanitizer, so you can use in the exam hall. And you should bring your own pencil, scale, calculator, water bottle, etc. Borrowing or lending is strictly prohibited. So these are the general instructions related to CA exams November 2020, which every CA student has to follow. It is mandatory by ICAI in this COVID-19 pandemic. And for more updates, subscribe my channel.